Hello, and welcome back to Davos video. In our last video, we went over how to create forms within WikidPad. Today, we'll be going over how to create templates. The use of templates is a powerful tool inside of WikidPad and has the potential to save users immense quantities of time if implemented properly. The first step to taking advantage of templates is to create a page that will serve as a template. This can be any wiki word or camel case word, or a bracketed function. Our example template will be Contact Template. This will create a new subpage under the wiki reference main page. Next, we will fill the template with an example contact form. Now, we will fill our contact template with an example contact form. This is a form template, which means that the &&I indicators may be tabbed directly to using the tab button. This makes repetitive forms easily filled and reduces unnecessary demands on one's time. For this example, I have a contact form here in a simple list formation and here in a table. At the bottom of the page, I have added the page type form attribute. Let's look at this page in preview mode. Now let's navigate back to our WikidPad reference page. Now that the template is filled, we can prepare to use it. One way to use the template is to create a new page and manually implement it via the following sequence. First, navigate to the new page. Second, right-click. Third, select Use Template. Fourth, select Desired Template from list or search for the desired wiki page to use as your template. Caution, implementing a template on a page that already has content will wipe out all pre-existing content. Let's see an example of this. Navigate to the new page, right-click, select Use Template, and then search for the desired wiki page. In this case, we will use our contact template. Select the page and select OK. You can see that while the page name stayed the same, both here and in the tree, all of the template's content has been transferred to our page. Next, let's take a look at auto-generating templates. Alternatively to using the manual method, you can establish a base page from which all subsequent pages will use the desired template. Let's create a new page, Contacts Example, to see this in action. To enable the auto-generating template function as discussed, you must first define that function as a page attribute. View this page in Editor View to see the following function near the bottom of the page. Left bracket, template, colon, space, contact template, right bracket. Notice that the function at the bottom of the page does not link to the contact template page. Rather, it is functioning as an attribute helping to define the operation of the current page. You can see that after adding the final bracket, the contact template hyperlink returns to a normal state. Now that we have established the template which we will be using, we can begin creating our new subpages. So now that we have, on our contacts example page, defined the template attribute, which the page will be referring back to, each child page that we subsequently create will refer back to the contact template and use the information there to automatically fill any new child pages. For example, sample 1 is a new, but as of yet, unedited page. Normally the page would appear blank when we click through the link to it. In this case, when we select through it, it will pull the contact template and automatically fill in that content, like so. It's important to note that similar to other pages, this sample 1 page is an unedited document, despite it having imported the template's content. This means that if I navigate back to our template, which is our contact template, any changes that I make here will instantly be reflected in our sample 1 because it is an unedited page. For instance, let's add a line here. Now let's navigate back to our contacts example page, and from here we'll navigate to our sample 1. Notice that the sample 1, despite our having clicked through to the page, is not a blue hyperlink. This is because the page status is currently unedited. Now that we've clicked through, we can see that the change that we made on the template is being reflected here in the sample 1 page. Now let's see what happens when we edit the page. I will remove these 4 hyphens. Now we navigate back to our contact template. As you can see, our 4 dashes are still present. However, in our sample page, they have been removed. If we navigate to contacts example, we will see that sample 1 is now an independent page and is highlighted blue. If we navigate to the contact template and make additional changes, we will see that this change is not reflected in our sample 1 page. However, because sample 2 has not yet been edited, we can click through and we will see that both changes are present on our sample 2. The same goes for our sample 3 and our sample 4, which in this case I have implemented as a camel case word. I hope this video has been helpful. Like and subscribe to our channel, and leave any comments or questions you have below. Have a wonderful day. Godspeed.